Okay. Hi students. This project is Smart Agriculture. In this project, we are going to measure different parameters in the field such as temperature and humidity with the help of the temperature sensor, DTH11 sensor it is, and LDR, light intensity with the help of the LDR which is present here, and soil moisture with the help of the soil moisture sensor. This is a soil moisture sensor, and water level in the nearby lake with the help of the water level indication sensor. Why we are measuring all these parameters means with the help of the temperature, humidity and light intensity we can predict the chance of rain. Chance of rain. If there is a chance of rain, there is no need of water in the field because there is rain no. That means there is no need to on your water motor. If there is no chance of rain, depending upon the water level in the lake and depending upon the soil moisture level in the field, we will decide to switch on the motor or switch off the motor. See, we are measuring all these parameters with the help of the Blink app. These parameters will be sent to the Blink app with the help of the Wi-Fi module present here. This is a Wi-Fi module. This is the Node MCU module. With the help of the Node MCU module, this data is sent to the Blink app. Let us see. I will open the Blink app here. And see how the parameters are measured. See here the temperature. The temperature in the field is the temperature in the field is 33.6 degrees and the humidity is 95. So there is no chance of rain. Coming to the light intensity, when I am closing the LDR, the light intensity is going to minimum. Again, when I am opening, the light intensity is again coming to the somewhat level. And see here, what is this? This is a water level indicator, and here I am pouring water. See what happens when pouring the water. It reaches the 25%. Again I am pouring more water. Then what is it showing? The water level is 50%. That means the water level reached to 50% of its level. Again more when I am adding the water. It is showing us what is the water level here? It is 75%. Then soil moisture also. What here? The soil moisture is minimum and water level is maximum. 75% water is there in the lake. So what we can do? We can switch on the motor now. What I am doing here, I will switch on the motor with the help of the motor control button in the app. See what happens. I switched on the motor. You can observe that motor is on. So that we can supply water to the field. And we can also switch off the motor when we require. That means when the soil moisture level increases. See here, when the soil moisture level increases, what happened when I pour water into soil moisture level? That means the field is full with water, then soil moisture level also increased. At this time what we can do? We can switch off the motor. So I switched off the motor initially. Like this, we can monitor various parameters in the field, and we can also control the motor relay from remote location with the help of the IoT technology. So it is called as a smart agriculture. Thank you.